Okay, in this video I'm going to give you a brief intro into why we sometimes need to clean or prepare the drawings before we upload them into the tablet. Now first, just let me start off by saying if you've got a specific drawing type, like a concrete setup drawing or internal walls or penetration drawing, then you probably don't need to do much cleanup, if any at all. Or you've actually got the specific drawing here, but you want to get rid of some additional information just to make it easier for yourself. Now, if you've actually got something that looks like this, which is an architectural drawing, there's a lot of information on there which you don't really need. And if I double click here, you've actually got the drawing up here in the top of the screen. And right down the bottom here, you've actually got these notes that are also part of the drawing. Now, if I was to just upload that directly into the tablet, this is what it would look like. So you can see here, you've got the little tiny drawing up the top there, you've got the notes down the bottom of the screen, and it just becomes a bit impractical to use it. Now, if you actually clean the drawing, this is what it could look like. Now, I've just cleaned this drawing because I was only interested in the internal walls because that's what I'm going to set out. So you can see that the drawing's a lot cleaner, and if I show you what that looks like on the tablet now, that looks like this. So you can see that it's a lot cleaner, it's a lot easier to look at. So that's partly one of the reasons why we want to do this cleanup. Because the screen's only 7-inch, you want really just to have only the information that's relevant for you to do your setup. And by doing that, you make it actually quicker for the operator to do his setup. Hope you find this useful.